Hello everyone, this is Louise for thunderlaser. Today I can't wait to introduce you our Aurora series as it extends something new by realizing the mental material processing and some other function that we cannot work with in our NOVA and BOT series. If you are interested, please stay with me and now let's continue. Our Aurora series is a desktop laser marker. Compared to NOVA cutter and BOT engraver, it's much smaller in size and can process the metal materials. It boasts the uniform and appealing designs, and also the working base it adopts the eco-friendly materials like the aluminum alloy. This material is much lightweight, sustainable, and also it can house the heat dissipation. Also, as our NOVA and BOT series, it also has the emergency stop button, the protective cover, and also the signal lamp is on both sides of the machine. The green light indicates that the machine is on the safety situation, while on the red light, it means the machine is in a very dangerous situation. As our NOVA and BOT series, our Aurora series also has the panel all-in-one. Now let me introduce this function to you one by one. This one is the autofocus button, and this one is to control front cover up and down through this electrical button. Also, it uses the air cooling system as our BOT series. Here is our rotary connector. You can purchase a rotary attachment separately and input it. Then you can use the attachment to process the curved materials like the fumbler, mark, and the glasses. With our Aurora series, all you need to decide is which size the laser type, speed, power. Our Aurora series including 3 models, Aurora 8, Aurora 8 Pro, and our newly launched products, Aurora Lite. If you want to learn more information about our Aurora Lite, please click on here and we will give you more relative videos recommendation. Our Aurora 8 can reach a maximum marking speed of the 7,000 mm per second. It's easier to process a wide range of the metal materials marking requirements. Also, we have the 20-watt, 50-watt Q-switch fiber laser, 60-watt, 100-watt MOPA fiber lasers, and 5-watt UV lasers for you to choose. Also, we have an optional lens for you to choose the working area size from 150 by 150 mm to the 200 by 200 mm. It can realize the code processing and excels in the precise marking and engraving across various materials. So you can choose the different laser types based on your specific needs to better meet your requirements. Aurora 8 Pro. Aurora 8 Pro is an updated version of our Aurora series. It can reach a maximum speed up to 10,000 mm per second, remarkably. Our Aurora Lite equipped with the 50-watt Q-switch fiber laser. Its maximum speed can be up to 7,000 mm per second, and its working areas is 150 by 150 mm. Aurora Lite must be your affordable gateway to the cutting-edge fiber laser marking machine. Also, it's ideal for those who think in the professional grade result in the compact and user-friendly design. Its experience in the precise cutting, engraving, and marking across various materials, which can help transfer your created projects into reality with more ease and precision. No matter equipped with the Q-switch fiber lasers or the MOPA fiber laser, our Aurora can process the metal materials like the titanium plate, aluminum oxide, aluminum, stainless steel, and so on. Also, it can deal with the non-metal materials like the leather, ABS, stone. Equipped with the UV laser, it can realize the code processing on the metals and the non-metal materials. Also, it has a unique advantage in the processing the plastic, especially in the common food and electrical appliance packaging. Our thunderlaser machine can be widely used in the various industries such as food, fitting, personalization, and some other industry. Now I will show you some samples made by our Aurora series, like the titanium plate cutlery, stainless steel cutlery, also engraved on the materials like the aluminum oxide, glass, ABS, leather, and so on. That's all for today's Aurora series introduction. If you are interested in more information, please stay tuned for our latest updates. See you in the next video. Bye.